Wouldn't it be great if there was a dead simple SEO hack that would just help boost your rankings but didn't require that much work? You don't have to be that technical, you don't have to build links, you don't have to worry about keywords, and yet you could just increase your rankings? Well, there is. Hey everyone, I'm Neil Patel, and today I'm going to break down the dumbest SEO hack. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel. If you're on YouTube, click the alert notification. When I talk about the dumbest SEO hack, I don't mean it in a negative way. I say it's dumb because it's really dead simple. It's really obvious. Very few people do it, and it just works. So this is the neilpatel.com blog, as you can tell by the URL up top, neilpatel.com/blog. And I'm just going to go into one of my blog posts. And as you scroll, and if you don't have a blog, you should consider adding one. You see a normal blog post, you see comments at the very bottom as I scroll. And then, more people can leave comments if they want through the comment box, and you just see a footer navigation. But there's something simple I did that just has really helped me boost my rankings. Now I'm going to go slow. Can you notice anything? What did I do that's really dead simple? Still confused? Still not sure? Well, all right, I'm going to scroll again, and I want you to look at the sidebar. What's one thing that I did that just really helped me boost my rankings? What do you think it is? It's actually this section here where it says guides. Okay, let's go through them. I have a guide on digital marketing, online marketing, Google AdWords, Facebook advertising, remarketing, SEO, content marketing, growth hacking, social media marketing, affiliate marketing, conversion optimization, marketing automation. Now let's Google all of them in order. Digital marketing. So digital marketing. I rank somewhere at the top on page 1. All right. What's the next one? So 1 for 1. Online marketing. Online marketing, the keyword. All right. I'm somewhere at the top as well. There you go. Let's go to the next one. Google AdWords. Probably not at the top for that one, because it's a Google branded term, but I'm probably decently ranked. Search and watch, WordStream, I'm on page 1. Okay. And that one's not bad. 550,000 searches, $8.46 cost per click. Next one, Facebook advertising. Facebook advertising. And again, probably not number 1 because I'm not Facebook, but where am I? Yeah, on page 1. Cool. All right, let's see. Remarketing. That's a one-word keyword. That one may be a little bit tougher. Google at the top. Google WordStream. There I am. Page 1 towards the top. Next one, SEO. All right, I already know I'm on page 1 for this. All right, what's the next one? Content marketing. Content marketing. Where am I? Yeah, there you go. What's the next one? And you could be like, oh, Neil, it's not incognito. Well, let me type in content marketing in the incognito browser. Let's see where I am. Copy blog. That's at the bottom of page 1. See, still page 1. All right. So, and now let's go back to the word blogging. I doubt I'm on page 1 for blogging. I'm on page 1 for blogging. Growth hacking. Growth hacking. Optin Monster. Number 4. What's the next one? Social media marketing. Social media marketing. The next one after that's affiliate marketing. Social media marketing buffer. Sprout Social, WordStream, Hootsuite, Neil Patel. Let's type in affiliate marketing, Neil Patel. That was the next one on the list. Conversion optimization, then marketing optimization, or marketing automation. Conversion optimization. Let's see if I'm on page 1. There you go. And then marketing. It's marketing automation, I believe. Yeah. Marketing automation. So marketing automation, HubSpot, Marketo, page 1. So I kid you not, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I'm 13-0, in which, or 13 and 13, whatever they call it, in which this tactic, just linking in my sidebar to my most keywords or cornerstone pages that I really want to rank for, helps boost it, because on every one of my blog posts, like I can even click on a guide and then you scroll on the sidebar, you see a link to it. Now, when you're doing this, don't just add in the link, add in whatever makes sense. Like with some of these, online marketing, I could put internet marketing, or I could have put different variations, but my audience calls it online marketing, so I put what's relevant. I don't put the word search engine optimization because everyone calls it SEO. I didn't put Google Ads, even though that gets searched a lot. I put AdWords because most of the people I know still call it AdWords. So I don't emphasize on the keyword, but by putting a lot of internal link juice, it helps with the ranking. So try that out. It's really simple. You don't even need my agency or anyone to do that for you. Although if you want any help, you can always check out my agency, Neil Patel Digital. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. I'll answer and help you out. If you enjoyed this video, like it, share it, tell other people about it. Thank you very much.